Hey all my crafty friends, who's ready to start some Christmas crafting? I know I am. I will be trying my best to put out at least 4 videos per week until Christmas, and I think you will love what I have in mind. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my Christmas videos, and if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! In today's video, I will be showing you how I made this adorable gnome wood tag for tiara trays or Christmas ornaments. I used wood from Hobby Lobby because it's lightweight. I cut the tags down to 4.5 inches long and 2.5 inches high. This is a great handmade Christmas gift for family and friends, and it's not that hard to do. All you need is wood, paint, vinyl, and some twine. The first tag is a custom order with a white background. I really loved putting this one together. I painted the wood with white spray paint and used my Cricut to cut out the image. I'll leave a link in the description below for the pre-cut vinyl that I used if you're interested. I centered the vinyl and applied it to the tag. I used duck shelf liner for my transfer paper. And I'm telling you, if you haven't tried it, you are missing out. This is the best thing I have ever used to transfer vinyl. It picks up even the smallest script without a problem. And it can be used multiple times before it starts wearing out. After I got the vinyl applied, I put a layer of Mod Podge for a finished look. I then added some twine so the tag could be hung. I think this one turned out amazing. I guess I'll have to make one for myself also. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more Christmas videos every week, and I know you do not want to miss out on them. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, just hit the bell notification. Now it's time to create this adorable gnome using a mini beer bottle. I painted the bottle with white paint and let it dry. The bottle I'm using is actually a Corona Mini, but any mini bottle will work for this project. I took a pair of slippers that I got from Dollar Tree and turned them inside out. I wanted to use the furry side for the gnome. Then I stuck the beer bottle into the slipper, and I used my Monvic glue gun to secure the slipper to the bottle. I cut the slipper from the bottom of the bottle so it would be able to sit flat without leaning. And I added glue to the bottom to secure the little bit of fluff that was around the edge. I took a large wood bead and placed it at the middle rim of the bottle. This is going to be my gnome's, this will be his nose. After many failed attempts of creating the hat, I finally figured it out. I used a buffalo check dog bandana I also got from Dollar Tree. I wrapped it around the top portion of the bottle and then cut it down to the size I needed. I turned the bandana inside out and glued it down the seams. After letting the hot glue cool for a minute, I turned the bandana right side out and started messing with it. I put it back on the bottle just to make sure it was going to fit the way I wanted it to, and it did. I decided to put a white pom-pom at the end of the hat to give my gnome a Santa vibe. Before attaching the hat, I had to remove the nose that I had glued down earlier without thinking. That's why you see a hole in the white fur. I began cutting down some gray yarn for his beard. I probably cut about 25 to 30 pieces of yarn. I glued the yarn down around the nose and face area. This took quite a while to finish since I was gluing each piece of yarn individually. Now it's time to add the nose and the hat. I put the hat on first and let the ends of the yarn stick out from under the hat. I then glued the nose at the top middle of the face. As you can see, this gave my little gnome a mustache and beard look. I thought that was cute. I haven't really seen any gnomes with a mustache before. He needed a bit of a trim, so I trimmed the beard around the bottom. I found a couple of places that needed extra yarn, so I went ahead and added that also. I continued to trim his beard until I was happy with the way he looked. And this is how he turned out. I continued messing with his hat until it was just right. This is the completed beer bottle gnome along with a couple of his friends. They are also stinking cute. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will have a lot more Christmas videos coming out, and I know you don't want to miss any of them. If you want to be notified when I upload new content, just hit the bell notification. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.